What is up, guys? Welcome back to Avengers. So I'm back from my much longer than expected vacation with this craptastic video. Something I just threw together just so to have a video to push out there to you guys, let you know that I'm still here. I'm actually currently working on getting the shifter installed into the pickup. That's going to be a much bigger video, maybe even a series of videos, I'm not sure yet. So in this video I'm going to be working on the license plate light. Currently doesn't have one, but this will be just a temporary solution just to get the truck to where I can actually drive it on the street, even though I can't get the truck to be street legal, but that's a whole different story for a different time. For now, let's just hop into the video. So, as you can see here, I actually don't have a license plate light at all on the truck, but if we go to the land down under, we can see that there is in fact a light just behind the bumper. We'll go ahead and pull it off, and then we'll wire up our new one. Real quick, something got a little dicked up in my audio. It gets really quiet in some places and then goes really loud. I tried to change some of it in post, but there's still some really loud spots, so rip in peace headphone users. I'll be sure to give you a warning before it gets too loud.
The way they hook this up, their light, I take it, the whole body is a ground, the body of the light's a ground, and then power wire ran through here and was just spliced into the tail lights with one of these guys. Obviously took it out, and we're going to do a similar thing. So our light here, then
Gonna run him. We got our ground lead here. If I can make the exposure not terrible. So ground lead here, we'll just ground it on the body somewhere. And then we got our power lead, which will splice into the same one they had with one of these. It's not ideal. I wanted to use a connector like one of these, but I didn't have the female counterpart to these, so couldn't use it. Oh well. So we're going to use one of these. Basically it's a little pointy bit. There's this little pointy bit on them. Smashes into the wire, and then you screw this down and he's tight, and then the other side's like fastened in there. So that's how we'll attach it to our power lead. So there we have it, guys, working license plate light. I'll put a link in the doobly-doo to the lights I actually picked up. I'll either be replacing this rear bumper at some point, or I'll be cleaning it up to make it look a little bit nicer. Whenever I do that, I'm actually gonna remount the light and get a more permanent solution. For now, this will keep me from getting a ticket, and that's all I'm really needing. So next week I'm hoping to have some footage from the drag strip, taking the hatchback out. Don't get too excited, it's really not very fast. So stay tuned for that. And then hopefully soon after I'll have the shifter all finished up, put inside the pickup, and then we can go bang some gears in the truck. So don't forget to subscribe, guys, leave a comment. Thanks for watching.